how to fix the animation text in Instagram stories are not working. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now first of all, what you want to do is just close out of Instagram and search for a VPN, and then just download a VPN that has a lot of reviews, so it's like somewhat good or something like that. So yeah, once you download that, you want to open it up, then accept and continue. Usually they'll ask for like a subscription and all that, but you don't really have to do that. But once it's opened up, you want to select for the location. So for me it was set on fastest location, but you should choose a location that's probably like in Europe or in the United States. So let's say I would choose this one right there. Wait, where is it? Yeah, this one. Then once you've selected the US or a European country or something like that, then just connect, and we'll have to wait for that. So I'm just going to allow that, and now we're connecting to the US, and as you can see, we're now connected. So now that you're in here, you can open Instagram back up, and once you've opened up Instagram, then Instagram basically thinks that you are now in the US. So this feature, the text animation, is enabled right now for you as well. So if it still does not work, then maybe try uninstalling Instagram and then install it again with the VPN on. So it really thinks that you're in the US, and yeah, that should probably enable this feature for you. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.